everyone. Welcome to Free Info Friday. Once again, today I'm here with my Christmas tree behind me and my dog here behind me. I have another dog here running around, so you might see her pop in and out of the video. But anyway, happy Friday, everyone. Today I wanted to talk a little bit more about some estate planning things, go into a little more detail about two things in particular, a durable power of attorney and a living will. So let's start with the durable power of attorney. Durable power of attorney allows an attorney, in fact, to manage the property of another person after they've been incapacitated. So what this means is if you have a durable power of attorney that appoints a certain person to act on your behalf if you become unable to, say what sort of things you want done with your property. So this is a good thing to have for somebody who maybe might end up in a nursing home or an assisted living. They might get to the point where maybe they don't remember who you are, or things like that. That's where a durable power of attorney can really help, because it essentially appoints somebody else to be in charge of that person's property and their assets and where those things need to be going or distributed. And then a living will is a different document. A living will has no power after death, so that's one of the major differences. A living will is also called a directive to physicians or an advance directive. And what a living will does is it's a document that lets people state their wishes on what they would like to happen for like end of life medical care in case they become incapacitated or they're unable to respond and say what their wishes are. So a living will is a document that you fill out beforehand, ideally before anything happens, and then it explains what to do in certain situations. So there's a couple different options that living wills usually give, if they want like resuscitative care or not. So those sorts of things are what goes into a living will. So these two documents are really good estate planning tools. I know a lot of people, they think they don't need them because you never plan to be incapacitated, or you typically don't plan for end of life medical care. Most people don't, but it's really important that you do. It's better to plan for it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Another thing to keep in mind is without a living will, most hospitals and things of that sort, they automatically try to resuscitate after death. And that can be really painful for an individual, especially if there's little or no chance of actually being resuscitated. It could just be a really unfortunate way to pass, with all the pain that would be going on. But anyway, it's just things to keep in mind. If you have any other questions about these sorts of documents or any other estate planning documents, feel free to reach out. And if you have any questions, or if you would like me to discuss any other topics, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me, you can Facebook message me. I told you last week about my website. That's still being worked on, so hopefully in a couple of weeks it'll be up and running, so keep your eye out for that. And stay safe in this cold weather. Drive safe on these icy roads. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I look forward to working with you.